guys, it's Kahila or Kay. Welcome back to my channel, and today is another unboxing slash yarn haul. So I had other things planned to do today, but then I had a package sitting in my chair and I was like, is that yarn? Is that yarn? So then I looked and it was yarn. I'm sorry, I had to look. You know, these yarn haul slash unboxings will probably be already open, but I'm gonna still say unbox with me, even though it's not in a box, but you know, unboxing. You know, who's gonna say unpackaging? Like, what? But yeah, it's probably gonna be open because I forget what I buy sometimes, and when it comes, I'm like, what is that? Like, it feels like yarn, but what if it's not yarn and I'm opening it on camera and it's not yarn? And, you know, so anyway, I opened up this package already, and dude, it's my wool yarn. Okay, I've never worked with wool before. Let me pull this camera back real quick. Okay, so I've never worked with wool before, and I was just like, I want a fingering weight wool, and I want a worsted wool, and I want a bulky wool. So I found all of the wool that I want. So I still have my worsted wool that needs to come in and my bulky wool, and then I also have one more other yarn that's coming in. So anyway, this is about the fingering weight one. Okay, so I pulled one out already, but like I didn't really get the entire experience, so here it is. I got it from KnitPicks because KnitPicks is my thing. It is called, the brand is Palette. It's a fingering weight, as you guys can tell. This color is alfalfa, which is very cool. It comes with 231 yards. Okay, that yardage is beautiful, and it is 50 grams. And oh my gosh, this is so cool. It feels so good. Like I love how like scratchy it feels, but it's like soft at the same time. I've never messed with wool before, guys, but look at, this is how thin it is. Oh, but I love the, what do you call this? The ply, how the yarn is twisted. I love that. So this yarn is 100% Peruvian Highland wool. And with knitting needles, it says numbers 1 through 3. And then for hooks, it says B to E. So I'm going to be using my 3.5 millimeter hook for this. And let me get out my 3.5 millimeter hook. I need to buy like 2 more. I'm trying to buy 2 more 3.5 millimeter hooks, but Furls doesn't have it in stock right now, so I'm so sad. But anyway, so this is it. I'm gonna do a swatch of it, but let me show you guys the rest of the colors that I got, and then we can get into those swatches. So this one is alfalfa, like I said before. Let's get this bag. So I got 3 greens, 3 blues, and then 2 yellows, and I kind of have an idea of what I'm gonna make with it, even though I'm still totally not sure just yet, but I have an idea. Yeah. All right, so this next one is this beautiful, beautiful blue color. Are you kidding me? And I love how these come in cakes, like, yes. This one is called Cyan, of course, beautiful. This color blue, oh, this dude, oh, this is beautiful, okay. And then we have another blue. It's like a nice ocean breeze. This is like an ombre color. Wait, do you guys see that? It's like white and blue. And this is called Wonderland Heather. Okay, Heather. I like what I'm seeing. This is beautiful. This might be my favorite. Hold up. Let's see the rest, and then I'll see which one is my favorite. But that one is number 1 right now. Oh, and then I have this beautiful like forest green color. So this was the first green, and here is the second green. This one is called Grass, as expected. Beautiful. And then I have the last green, which is called Clover. Oh, I love this green so much. Like, this is a nice woodsy, oh, it's like if you put brown and green together and you get this like murky, beautiful, murky green color. Oh my gosh, I already see the stripes for what I'm gonna make. And then I got, oh wait, what's this? Oh, the next blue. Whoa. Okay, wait. Look at this. This is called Caribbean. This color looks like, I haven't seen like the Caribbean waters in person, but if I would assume that this looks like the Caribbean waters, okay? This color is so beautiful. Wait, this color might rival this color. Like I only, oh, okay, like this is my favorite in colors, but this in style with the blue and a white together. So these are gonna have to be what and what with favorites. So 3 blues here. Let me show you guys the 3 blues. 3 blues right here. So beautiful. Let me put it in. Okay, light to dark. Right here. So the 3 blues, beautiful. Oh, these things in stripes. Now here are the greens. Like, hello, I know how to pick colors. Okay, okay, like, hello, these are so nice. And then for like ribbing for whatever project I'm working on, I got yellow because greens, blues, and yellows go so well together to me. So we have this beautiful light yellow color, and it is called Custard. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. And then the other color I have is a nice like brighter but deeper color. I hope I'm saying deeper correctly. And it's called Safflower. Oh my gosh. So look at these together. Oh my gosh. This is going to be amazing. No, I'm not. No, yeah, no, okay. Yeah. Anyway, I had an idea and I was like, eh. So, you know, I'm swatching with this one right here. This Wonderland Heather. Like, or Wonderland? Is it Wonderland? Wonderland Heather? I don't know. Wonderland or Wonderland. I'm swatching with this beautiful color right here. I'm gonna toss the rest of these in here. Dude, every time I was literally, like before I started filming, when I got this yarn, I went to my ideas notes, which has like over 30 ideas / videos for crochet projects, and I started writing down a bunch of projects that I could do with this yarn, and then I started getting overwhelmed. I'm like, why do I do this to myself? Every time I get new yarn in, I'm like, ooh, okay, I can do this, and I can do that, and I can do that. It's like, but you already have 2 projects that you need to work on right now. Like, just relax. When I get yarn, I just like to automatically assign a project to it so I can like have a vision of what I'm gonna do to put this yarn to use, because I don't want yarn just sitting here, you know. It's so fun having so many ideas. Like I never run out of ideas. Like I'm always inspired, always. It's insane. And now my sisters got me into writing patterns. Like, come on, I already see the vision. All right, so I'm gonna swatch with this using my 3.5mm hook from Furls. It's their Odyssey style hook. So let's get it. I'm probably gonna do like 16 chain, do some half double crochets into it, into like 5 rows maybe, if that's enough for me to see like what it looks like. So let's get it. I'm still learning how to work with fingering weight yarn, so like I'm holding my hook all like this, like, and trying to like figure out my tension. It's weird, but this yarn, like you can see the holes and stuff because my tension is weird and different, but hold on, let's see, can you see this? Like, look at this. Oh my gosh, I know for a project this is gonna look so good, especially a vest. I'm thinking I'm gonna create a vest using this yarn, and I've decided I'm gonna double strand this yarn, so like with the different blues and stuff, I'm gonna put the blues together and then the greens together and then the yellows together and stuff like that, and just like change it up with the different colors each time for whatever I'm gonna do, because doing it with single strand it's fine, but double stranding I feel like it's gonna be nice and like thick, and oh, it's just so nice. I really like it, and this color is beautiful. Oh my gosh, and I love the fuzzies. Oh yes, a fuzzy vest with this, dude, I am sold. And also my sister like saw a knitter using this for one of their cakes, and she bought one, and then she sent me the link, and I was just like, yes, especially since I'm gonna be using like a lot of cakes, like the yarn I'm getting, like lots of cakes, so this is perfect. Oh my gosh. But I rate this yarn 10 out of 10. Okay, I am, like I say in like most of my videos, I'm not a picky person, so once I can work with this yarn easily, it's not splitting or anything, because this yarn didn't split, surprisingly, but this yarn doesn't split. It's not like too coarse or anything for me. When I'm crocheting with it, it's like seamless, and it doesn't make my fingers dry, but we'll see after like working with it for a little while. But wool, this wool is nice. I'm so excited to start a project with this, guys. I'm so excited. But yeah, that's it for this video. That's all the yarn that I got from KnitPicks. It is Palette. That's the name of the yarn. I'll link it down below for you guys if you want to check it out, see if you like it or anything. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let me know down below if you've ever worked with wool before and what your favorite brand of wool is, if you have, because I'm getting into checking out different brands of yarn and I just love it. Okay, I love it. If you guys want to see more videos like this from me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, because it'll notify you whenever I post another video. And I'll see you guys in my next one.